Okay, so imagine this. What if you could find a place where ancient, timeless wisdom and, mind-bending future technology actually come together? And all of it for just one purpose, to help you transform. Well, that is the promise of Zen Nation. And today, we're going to go inside this incredible sanctuary to really understand how it all works. Our guide on this journey? It's Laura, the heart and soul behind Zen Nation. And when you see her greeting here, it's not just a simple hello. It's a genuine invitation. It really sets the stage for an experience that's deeply personal, maybe a little mystical, and for sure, profoundly transformative. And this right here, this gets to the absolute core of what makes Zen Nation so unique. It's not a contradiction. It's a powerful fusion. On one hand, you have practices that are thousands of years old. I mean, connecting with nature in the Whispering Grove, tapping into ancestral wisdom. And then on the other hand, you see this cutting-edge tech that makes those very same experiences tangible in a way that's just never been possible before. Every single journey at Zen Nation, no matter who you are, it begins in the exact same place, the Whispering Grove. But look, this is so much more than just a beautiful forest. It's the foundational first step on the path to inner healing. It's the place where you ground yourself before you can truly, truly grow. To really understand the power of this place, let's follow the journey of a visitor named Evelyn. She arrives at Zen Nation carrying this well-worn journal that was passed down from her grandmother, Laura, and it's just filled with generations of wisdom. As she steps among these ancient trees, that journal becomes her compass, lighting up a path of healing she didn't even know she was looking for. For Evelyn, the path through the grove is this deeply sensory experience. I mean, she has the ancient wisdom of the journal right there in her hands. She can smell the rich earth of the forest. And then she feels this gentle hum. And it's coming from 7 healing stones, each one glowing softly with a different color, each one resonating with one of her body's core energy centers, guiding her toward a state of inner alignment. Okay, so once you're grounded in the Whispering Grove, the journey turns inward. And to navigate that complex inner landscape of your own soul, Zen Nation gives you 2 incredibly powerful maps. The first map is the chakra system. And honestly, the easiest way to think about it is as your body's internal energy highway. As you can see described here, there are these 7 main energy centers, or chakras, running from the base of your spine all the way to the top of your head. Each one is a spinning wheel of light that governs a different part of your life, from your sense of security all the way to your connection with the world. The second map is the Enneagram, and this is like a psychological GPS that helps you understand why you do the things you do. It's not just some personality type. It's this dynamic roadmap that reveals your core motivations, your deepest fears, and your greatest desires, helping you break free from your own limiting patterns. Now here's the key insight. You got to notice how these 2 systems work in perfect harmony. The chakra system helps you figure out where in your body your energy might be blocked or out of balance. Then the Enneagram comes in and helps you understand why it's blocked, the mental patterns and unconscious motivations behind it all. So together, they give you this complete, holistic picture of yourself. It's pretty amazing. So now that we have these ancient maps to the soul, let's pivot to Zen Nation's futuristic side. Because here, technology isn't a distraction from the inner work. It's actually used as a powerful accelerator, a tool to make the invisible visible. And that raises a really fascinating question, doesn't it? I mean, how can technology, something so modern and, external, actually make an ancient spiritual journey more tangible? How can it help someone like Evelyn heal and grow in ways that were never even possible before? Well, the answer lies in tools just like the ones you see here. Take the bioharmonic bands, for example. Think of them like a Fitbit for your soul, giving you real-time feedback on the energy flowing through your chakras. Or the aura somatic scanners. They create a 3D heat map of your body, showing you exactly where you're physically holding on to emotional stress. For Evelyn, this meant she could literally see the grief she was holding on to and then watch that energy change as she worked to release it. I mean, that is revolutionary. So we've explored the Whispering Grove, we've decoded the inner maps, and we've seen the high-tech tools of Zen Nation. But at the end of the day, all of it, the forest, the maps, the tech, it's all designed to empower you for the greatest exploration there is, the journey into yourself. This powerful quote, it's kind of considered the final lesson of the Whispering Grove, And it truly is the key to the entire Zen Nation experience. See, the journey inward isn't about isolating yourself. It's about discovering your profound connection to everything. It's about finding the entire universe that already exists right inside of you. And so, as we finish our little tour of Zen Nation, I want to leave you with this one question. And it's not just a thought, it's an invitation. What part of your own inner landscape are you ready to explore? What is your quest? Because the journey is yours to take, and the possibilities, they are absolutely endless.